In this video, I'm showing you the 3 digital products I'd launch today if I had zero audience and needed sales fast. Now, this is not about creating courses or writing ebooks. I'm answering the #1 question we get from students in our digital product coaching program: what's actually selling right now, and how do I get sales fast without an audience? I just completed a massive deep dive into a full year of our internal sales data. Thousands of transactions, multiple launches, and real beginner case studies, not just to see which products perform the best, but to uncover which digital products complete beginners are selling and scaling to 6 figures with no experience and no following. Now, 2 of these products don't require that you sell anything because the demand is already there. The first one does take some direct selling, but what blew me away was how quickly people started collecting big checks, sometimes within 72 hours. And so the first digital product I'd start selling are coupon-style landing pages to local businesses. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to build these pages with AI using just 2 prompts in a second. First, take a look at this example of a coupon I made for a local pizza parlor. This page offers a discount on a large pizza and 2 liters of soda, but it does it in a fun way. The customer has to use their finger to scratch off the code like a lottery ticket. This works on desktop too using a mouse cursor. Now, our students have been selling these scratch-off coupon promotions for a fast $500, averaging 5 to 10 sales a week using a simple sales method I'm going to show you in this video. First, let me show you how easy it is to actually build these things. Right now, Google AI Studio is the GOAT for building landing pages and one-shotting simple apps. You go to AI Studio and put in this prompt: build me a landing page that offers a coupon discount for my product. The landing page should act like a scratch-off coupon where the user can use their finger on a mobile or mouse cursor on desktop to reveal their coupon code. After the code is revealed, there should be confetti, and a link to claim their discount should appear underneath. The AI takes about 2 minutes to think, but after, you've got a basic ticket that's ready to go. Now, this is just the base example to make sure it's working. From here, you can prompt it further by saying things like, turn this into a $5 off coupon for a pizza parlor to use as part of a Super Bowl Sunday promotion. Make the page Super Bowl themed and use red and white to match the color scheme of the restaurant. Another trick that works really well is you provide a URL to the pizza parlor or business that you're creating the promotion for and have it automatically match the language, fonts, and style of that client. But now, okay, these scratch-off coupons are really cool, but how are students actually selling them and making fast money? Here's the strategy. First, we need to find potential buyers. Search for local businesses that are currently running a discount campaign, coupon campaign, or holiday sale. Obviously, this works especially well if you do it before an event like the Super Bowl or Black Friday. In fact, we sold a ton of these during Black Friday, and it landed us even higher ticket clients as a result, which I'll talk about in a second. Next, you're going to create a demo coupon page for the businesses you found. Now, you can create a single demo page per niche, like one for pizza parlors, one for bars, or one for retail stores, or really put the work in and create a specific demo page for each potential client that you found. Now, Google Studio will give you a public share link for any page that you create. The strategy is to simply go to each business and send them a custom demo of this promotion, then offer to build and customize one for their own coupon promotion. Now, you can charge anywhere from $100 to $1,000 for this. Our students are seeing great success at the $500 level, but there's an even better way to make your offer. Instead of asking for payment upfront over DMs, offer to give them the coupon page for free and try it out. Once they get results from this coupon campaign, it's easy to sell them on a $500 a month plan where you create new coupons for them each week. Delivery of this service is super easy. You just send them the coupon you generated or host it yourself and then just charge them for access. And like I said, this digital product strategy can produce fast sales in under a week if you put in the work in reaching out to enough business owners. Now, if you're thinking, man, I don't want to sell one-to-one or deal with local businesses, I get it. I mean, the digital product dream is to create something once and then passively sell it to as many people as possible. And there is a specific product category that is not only perfect for this, it's uniquely positioned to sell even when you have zero audience or followers. This is a digital product category that I call shadow products. Shadow products are any product that are designed to add value or remove pain points from a larger existing product in your niche. An example of this in the physical world are iPhone covers. The iPhone is a massive product with one major flaw. They break so easily if you ever drop them. The iPhone cover industry just takes advantage of this flaw, selling something that is absolutely needed if you own an iPhone. The software company ManyChat is another example of a shadow product. Instagram is a great platform for reaching and interacting with an audience. However, they have no automation tools whatsoever, and ManyChat came in and built a multi-million-dollar business essentially in the shadow of Instagram. When you create a shadow product, you're not just tapping into an existing customer base, you're also tapping into existing buyer search traffic that makes it easy to sell without an audience. Now, there are plenty of examples of creators who sell Notion templates, Canva templates, Photoshop templates. However, those markets are crazy saturated and super competitive. Our strategy is to find a big niche product that no one is creating shadow offers for, then dominate the space by targeting the right customer at the right time in their buyer cycle. So how do we go about this? First, we look for big products that generate buzz and search traffic in your niche. This can be book launches, courses being released by top creators in your niche, popular software, or any of the new AI tools that are getting released every other day. Next, you identify a shadow product opportunity by asking 3 simple questions about that product launch. What's missing from that product? What would enhance their buyer's experience with the product? And what are existing pain points when using that product? Let me give you some examples on what this looks like. Let's say you're creating a shadow product for someone's course in your niche. It seems like everyone under the sun is creating courses right now. Look at any course that's been released and ask the 3 questions to come up with shadow products. Things like course summaries, workbooks, course notes, automations, and AI prompts that help them get results faster. Communities if the course doesn't offer one. Or even checklists, templates, and done-for-you assets that eliminate pain points that course hasn't addressed. Or let's take an example from the fitness world. There are thousands of new fad diet books coming out, home fitness programs, and new gym chains opening up every week. You can pick one super popular program and create recipe books, meal guides, extended workout programs, specific supplements, or supplement guides for people who are using that program. I mean, even think about software releases. There's a new AI app coming out pretty much every week in almost every niche. You can offer training guides, shortcuts, templates, and add-ons to those apps. Now, the point is, whenever there is a new successful product that launches, they've already done 90% of the work in identifying an audience that will spend money and selling to that audience. You just have to put yourself inside the flow of buyers with a shadow offer. So now you have your shadow product with little competition. How do you actually get sales? Well, we're going to piggyback off their offer and capture their proven buyers in 4 different ways. First is create review content of that main product. You see, anyone that is searching for reviews of a product, they are late in the buying cycle and are primed to buy not only that main offer they're searching for, but anything that can enhance their experience and help to maximize the return they get on that investment. The review content can be very simple. Just give a solid review of the product. This is something AI can generate very quickly. Then you pitch your product as a way to help them get the most out of the main product when they buy it. Oh, and a quick pro tip, you can even promote the main product as an affiliate to earn extra cash while selling your shadow product. This has an added benefit that I'll explain in a minute. First, I need to tell you the second strategy to generate sales of a shadow product, which is to create training content around the original product. This is very common, especially when selling something related to software. I mean, hundreds, if not thousands of YouTubers do training on Notion, for example, and then sell their Notion templates at the end of their videos. When you use this same strategy for a shadow product in a market with no competition, you can just dominate search results and clean up. Now, the third strategy is to land affiliate partners. Just look for YouTubers or content creators that are promoting the big product you based yours on as an affiliate. Most of the time, they're only earning like 10 or 20% commission, and they're competing with God knows how many other creators to get the sale. Offer them a huge commission on your product and do all of the work for them by providing a pre-made sales funnel, and you'll start booking sales quickly. Now, if you need a sales funnel to help you sell your products or to give to affiliates to sell products for you, you can get the one that I use for free. click the link in the description, enter your email, and I'll send it to you. Now, the first three strategies are really just to build up to the fourth strategy, which is to partner with the creator of the original product. Now, I mentioned that creating review and training content had an additional benefit. You see, when you're capturing buyer search traffic and promoting that original base product as an affiliate, you're basically sending them sales. This allows you to approach them from a place of leverage to propose a joint partnership deal. Simply reach out to them and say, hey, I've been promoting your offer and sending you sales. My audience loves your product. I created a product that's a perfect fit for your buyers, and I'd be willing to pay you a huge commission percentage to offer it to all of your customers. Listen, when you can land a strategic partnership with a big product creator, you're basically stepping into $1 million business. Just create products for their proven audience that add value, making sure you don't compete with their original offer. When you build a business this way, you never have competitors, you have partners. Now, I'm going to be doing a deep dive into both coupon landers and shadow products soon on this channel, so subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. However, next, I want to get into the easiest digital product to generate a ton of sales fast. The reason for this is twofold. One, this is a digital product that is trending massively right now and will continue to do so for the foreseeable future. Two, it's the best of both worlds because it can be sold to both businesses as well as end consumers. And with the sales approach I'm going to show you, it practically sells itself. Now, you might have guessed this, but I'm talking about AI automations. Now, when I say AI automations, I'm talking about things like AI prompts, custom GPTs, ManyChat, and other automation templates. Basically, any automation that can be built without any coding needed. Look, anything AI is hot right now. You look at any business-related YouTube channel over the past year, and the videos that mention AI or AI automation almost always have far more views than the rest of the videos on their channel. It's the same thing on Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. Mentioning something new about AI attracts eyeballs, which is crucial if you're starting out with zero audience. Now, creating prompts and custom GPTs is a whole other topic. I have a whole other video on my channel that walks you through it. The technical part is really easy to do. The important thing is that you position your AI as a generator that solves one specific problem for your target audience. Okay, so aside from being a hot topic that gets views and attention, how do we actually sell these things? Well, our strategy for AI is to give away the golden eggs and then sell them the golden goose. Basically, you give away your custom AI outputs both as content and demonstration sales material. For example, if you're selling a ketogenic recipe generator prompt, create content of you cooking those recipes and give away the actual recipes in ketogenic diet groups. If you're selling a landing page builder, give away the landing pages to collect leads. You see, the biggest problem most people have with AI is inconsistency. I'm sure you've experienced this. I know I certainly have. When the results you get from ChatGPT or any other AI are just hit or miss and require constant trial and error to get what you want. And so if you can prove that your prompts, custom GPT, or AI generator can produce consistent, reliable output by giving me the end results in advance, I'm more likely to buy it to save me that time and aggravation. Now, the most effective way to sell using this method is to offer these demonstrations in exchange for them signing up to your email list. Normally, you'd have to build a high converting landing page. You need to warm up the email leads so that they actually get delivered into their primary inbox. Then you have to have the right sales sequence to close the deal. Now, that can be hard if you're not experienced with email marketing, so I've put together a complete funnel that we not only use to generate sales, but our affiliates have used to generate over $2.5 million with this exact funnel. You can download it by clicking the link in the description and putting in your email. Okay, so right now, you have 3 digital product ideas that will sell. You have a funnel that will get you leads and convert them into sales. If you want a deeper dive into the strategy we use to generate sales without needing an audience, I created a video that shows you how. Click here to watch that video now.